buy me pencils. I want pencils like your nice ones.
Okay. Happy Halloween! It is not Halloween, but it's almost close to Halloween, and I have a special guest in my room. He is watching me from the corner. But anyways, yes, I am doing the Scarecrow look, and as you can see, it looks pretty janky, but that's okay. So I'm going to show you guys how to do the makeup and also just what to do with this look, what to kind of put together, piece together. I got this from Walmart. Can you not? I got this from Walmart, and as you can tell, it's kind of like cheaply done, but that's okay. We're working with it. So this is how to like zhuzh up the Scarecrow costume from Walmart. It's like $7. So it comes with this little hat thing, and I like cut this thing because it was like blocking the flower, and I like the flower. And it also came with like a choker. Choker fell apart. Looked really cheap too, and it came with these two things, and they are, well, cheap. Almost like me. Just trying to get a reaction. But anyways, so yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to do the makeup and like kind of hair ideas. I didn't really do much for my hair. I was going to curl it, but I was also thinking maybe braid, but I'm lazy and I'm running out of time. So I also cannot see to do anything because these lashes, and I cannot wear them with my glasses. Otherwise my glasses would fall off my face immediately. So we're just going to work with what we have. So for this outfit, obviously I have the little add-ons and my makeup done. I would have some stitching things right here, but I did not have time to put the eyeliner on. And like I said, the necklace broke. So what I'm basically wearing is just like a black t-shirt. You can wear whatever you want. And just a plaid shirt. I chose yellow because I thought it was more like hay and like fall themed. And then also some overalls. I didn't have long overalls, and the ones I made, they fell apart, so I would like send them to Goodwill. But anyways, I'm just wearing short overalls and then leggings and boots with long socks. So I'm going to model that for you guys real quick and then go into the makeup. I think you guys can see, I don't know. I might just have you hold it up and like show them. So just hold this. Or maybe here, you stand there. Oh, okay. Thank you. So this is my outfit. This is what I'm wearing. You can angle the camera down just a little bit, Jay. Just a little bit more. Angle, yeah, just angle it down. Some more. Okay, there we go. No, come back up. Go down. So, there you go, Jay. Just keep it there. So anyways, here are my outfit. It is the boots with the long socks, shorts, and it's just like this. It is just plain because these things suck and I didn't want to get straw. And also Jay doesn't want to cooperate. So anyways, here's my outfit. As you can see, I look kind of like a scarecrow. Jay, do you think I look like a scarecrow? You can talk!
I don't want to talk, though.
You don't want to talk? Okay.
It's cringy.
It's not cringy. So anyways, Jay doesn't want to help me. Dara would be helping me.
That's okay.
Okay. Well, anyways, gotta angle it down.
I don't know what you want.
So this is my outfit, and that was pretty much it. Very inexpensive, cheap outfit to make. Jay, you can go sit back down. So anyways, yeah, you can get overalls, you can get any of this from Goodwill, Walmart. I get all my stuff from Rue 21 because I am a hoarder and Rue 21 has cheap, pretty clothing. So if I can just like fix my little thing. I'm gonna go ahead and just do some really basic makeup. So I am gonna try this foundation. I've tried a couple different times. It is pretty new. So this is from Perfusion Cosmetics. But this was from Walmart, and it is the Feel Good Skin Long Wear Skin Protector. And it's got like SPF 15 in it, and it's medium to full coverage. And I actually do like it. It is pretty like long wear. It doesn't really like leave any kind of marks like a lot of foundations do. And I'm just using the same concealer I normally do, but it is the Essence Camouflage Plus Matte Concealer. Okay, and then we're just gonna go ahead and set all of this with a setting powder. And I absolutely love this one. I'm almost out of it and I'm really needing to find some more, but it's from Flower. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of bronzer as like a contour, mostly because I don't have my contour palette with me. This is the Essence Luminous Matte Bronzing Powder for lighter skin. So normally I would put like my fake freckles on before I even put on setting powder, but because we're doing a very heavy highlighter and blush, and then we're going to make like the little stitches like what we're going to wear on our neck, because it's a scarecrow and that's just like what scarecrows have, or stitches, right? I don't know. But we're just going to do like a very heavy like red blush and then like a orangish yellow like highlight, and just kind of work it down and maybe like over our nose, and then do all the decorating. So first, starting with blush, again, it is from Essence. It is the Matte Touch Blush. Just really pack that blush on there just like a Visco girl, because that is the look we're going for. It is very like heavy on the makeup, like around this area and then also on our eyes. So we really just want to like make this super bright red just to really draw attention to us. I'm gonna take the Love Triple Baked Highlighter from Revolution. If I can't, just hold on to the lid. And we're taking the orange color as best as we can. I'm actually gonna get a thinner blush brush for highlighter, and it actually is a highlighter. So we're just gonna take this and try to get only the orange. It's okay if you get the yellow, and it's very pigmented, so we're just gonna do like a sweep. Well, we're just gonna like blend it in, try to anyways. Okay, and then we're gonna take the orange from the, what is this, Mermaid's Heart, again from Revolution, or I Heart Revolution. And we're going to take this little orangish yellow, and we can mix them together. That's what I'm going to do, is I'm mixing them together, just like that. And we're just going to do the same thing, just little whoop, whoop. And then we're going to take the Too Faced Apricot in the Act blush and blush and highlight duo, and we're just going to do the highlighter and just really highlight this area, because we have the color on and now we want the actual highlight. So for the nose, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty palette, and it is the Warm Brown Obsessions. And we're just going to take like this light brown color up here and just kind of like outline what we want. And then we're going to fill it in with like some orange and like the tan color. Now we got like our tear shape. What I'm going to do is I'm going to like outline it with an eyeliner. It's a little smaller than I thought, but there is our little nose, and we're just going to go ahead and fill this in with different colors. So I'm just going to go ahead and pack on this tan color again, just really put that on there. And then I'm going to take this brown up here, if you can see that, and just go kind of on the bottom and on the top. And then we're going to take this dark brown and just kind of go just around where we put the eyeliner. So then now what we're going to do is, with a smaller brush, we're just going to take one of our highlighters, doesn't matter what kind, and we're just going to highlight the center of our little nose we created. So then now we're going to add the little stitch marks. And you can do the little X's, you can do lines. I'm going to do a mixture of both. So then now what we can do is we can do our actual freckles or whatever other thing you want to do, and we're going to do the stitching on the mouth last because we have to do the lipstick first. So I'm going to go ahead, put on some fake freckles, and I'll be back with the rest. So I went ahead and did the freckles, my eyebrows, and then put on some eyeshadow primer. So we're going to use a couple different palettes, but first off we're just going to go ahead and go in with the Huda Beauty one that we did for our nose, and we're just going to try to do like a nice kind of yellowish orangish ombre. So I'm going to take this very, very light like white shade and just kind of go all over. And then we're going to take this little tan shade and then just kind of go on top of that. And then going with this top brown shade. Now we're going to take the ColourPop Whatever palette and we're just going to go in with the In Bold Brown. And it's because in the other one, not really a whole lot of like dark browns in it. So we're just going to go like right in the corner over here. And then now again with the ColourPop one, we're going to take the Not Okay one and we're just going to put it like over here. And then we're going to go in with the Duh and go like in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and do all this on the other eye and then I'm going to come back with the other part. And then so because I love glitter, we're going to take the ColourPop Glitterly Obsessed, and this is the orange one. This is in Vogue, and we're just going to do like kind of like teardrop things. Just we're going to like glitter all of this, like, and maybe put some on our nose. I don't know, but let's just see how it looks. So I'm going to come back with the eyeliner and mascara done, and then we're going to do the mouth. So with my lashes on, we're going to go ahead and do the lips. So I'm going to line them in this Buxom plump liner, lip liner, crayon thing. I know I look so ridiculous with these lashes on. Don't these just look so cool? Yeah, no, I'm going to go blind because I can't wear my glasses with these, so yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead, line our lips with this, and then fill it in with some color. Lashes me and not lashes me is two separate people. So that was pretty much it for the makeup. It's not that like high maintenance. Obviously you don't have to do like the orange yellow lipstick, you don't have to do the lashes, you don't have to do any of this. You can literally just put some lines, stitches, I know you don't even have to do that. You can just get the costume stuff. But this is just something fun that I thought would kind of like pull together the outfit. So I'm gonna go ahead, get my hair done, and then move on to all the other stuff for this costume. So anyways, that is pretty much all of the costume and the makeup and everything. Make sure to comment down below if you guys are actually going to try this, if it looked even decent on me. And would you buy these really terribly done hand thingies? What are these called? The straw, the things, the Scarecrow hands, I guess. I have no idea what these are called, but I'm about to take them off after I do my pictures. So anyways, I do like the hat. The hat is the only decent part of the whole little costume set. But that was pretty much it. So make sure to comment down below. Make sure to give this video a like if you did. If you like me, make sure to subscribe. And if you like me even more, make sure to check the description below and check out all my social media links. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, Halloween outfit, I would say this is probably a 7 out of 10. What would you rate my costume for Halloween?
6 cringes out of 10.
I hate you. So anyways,
10 out of 10 for the cringe factor.
Shut up. So anyways, I can tell you what you're not getting for Halloween.
That's okay.
Candy.
Eh.
So anyways, that is all I had to say. So with all that being said, thanks for stopping by. Love you.